Okay, so this is an audio test of the DJI Mic 2 connected to my DJI Action 5 Pro camera. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at 28 mile an hour with the visor open. Just go do a little bit of currently the mic gain is set at 0. Okay, so mic test, 55 mile an hour, visor open. That's 55 mile an hour, 60 mile an hour, visor open. 60 mile an hour test with the visor closed. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 30 mile an hour with the visor closed. And as I said, the mic gain is set at 0. I will not alter the volume levels or mic gain sensitivity post-production. I will leave it as is. So 30 mile an hour with the visor open. 30 mile an hour with the visor open. Some visor down. Same again, 30 mile an hour, this time with the visor down. 30 mile an hour with the visor down. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just for Viper. Visor up, national speed limit. 55 mile an hour, 55 mile an hour, audio test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do that again on the way down. This time with the visor closed. Right, so audio test. 57 mile an hour, audio test with the visor down, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again the mic gain is set to -3. That's the mic gain is set to -3. Okie dokie, we'll call that at the end.